When the service person services the machine, he should be able to service the revolution key to key in 90 seconds or less. To disassemble, he lifts the arm of the machine and rotates it around into the service position. Now the used product holders can be removed. Once the product holders have been removed, your earnings for the week can be emptied from the machine. Now, a new set of pre-packed product holders can be replaced. After the product is restocked, the arm can be replaced and secured with a lock. At this point, the service person plugs in the handheld and performs the audit collection. This only takes a few more seconds. And, as you can see here, this experienced serviceman has a few seconds left over after the service.